Hey, good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ferdinand Ng. Some of the contractor asked me where to find the serial number of Ener-Save R290 natural refrigerant air conditioner. I would like to show you, got two places to get the serial numbers. First is indoor. I show you where is the indoor serial number first. Alright, this is the indoor unit. The serial number is at the right hand side. This one is the serial number. Can you see? I show you. This is a serial number. I may zoom it. Okay. This one is a serial number. And what about outdoor? Okay, here we are. This is the outdoor unit. The serial number is not at outside. This is not the serial number. Actually, serial number is at inside, someplace here. So what you're gonna do is to open this particular cover. Sorry, I'm using one hand. Open this one. Okay. Get the screw out first. Alright. Not yet. I need two hands. Then only can do the job. But doesn't matter. Just manage to do it. Okay. So this one is the serial number for the outdoor unit. And you can find also the connections of the system. Okay, serial number for outdoor. Thank you very much.